Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Pawan Bharadwaj. I'm from Mechanical B section. Today, my topic is about basic principles for designing economic production. Hmm. Subject design for manufacturing and assembly. Yeah, generally, there are five principles are examined during the design for manufacturing. They are process, design, material, environment, testing. There are the five major things we should be considered. In the process, the manufacturing process chosen must be correct one for the part or product. You wouldn't want to use highly capitalized process like injection molding, which involves building of tools and dies to make a low volume part that could have been manufactured using lower capitalized method such as thermoforming. That would be equivalent to using a tank to squash an ant-hill, a classic case of overkill. The design for manufacturing took into consideration the quality of parts being made, the material being used, the complexity of surfaces, tolerances required, and whether there were secondary process required. You will note that many of same questions he asks with regard to the process come with design. Design is essential. The actual drawing of the part or the product has conformed to good manufacturing principles for the manufacturing you have chosen. In case of plastic injection molding, for example, the following principles would be applied. Constant wall thickness, which allows the consistent and quick part cooling. Appropriate draft, 1 to 2 degree is usually acceptable. Texture, need 1 degree for every 0.001 of texture depth on texture side walls. Ribs, 60% of nominal wall as a rule of thumb. Simple transactions from thick to thin features. Wall thickness is not too small. This increases the injection pressure. No undercuts or features that require side action. All features in of inline of mold opening. Specifications, the loosest tolerances that allow a good product, and consult the trade organization for your manufacturing process on what is reasonable for the process. Be sure to discuss the design with your contract manufacturer who can ensure that your design conforms to good manufacturing principles for selected process. Material, some materials considered to be during the manufacture: mechanical properties, optical properties, thermal properties, color, electrical properties, flammability. These should be ensured. Mechanical properties, how does the material need to be? What is the strength of the material? How can it withstand the strength? Optical properties, does the material to be reflective or transparent, in which when when the sunlight is passed through it there may be a damage. That thermal properties, how resistant does it need to be, in which the product can be very heat, it will be easily melt. Then uh, like that, the these shouldn't be there. Color, what does the color product need to be? Electrical properties, that it is a dielectric, insulator or conductor. Flammability, how flame burns, resistant does the material need to be? Environment, environment must be designed to withstand the environment. It will be subjected to all the forms wouldn't matter under its normal conditions. Compliance testing, all the products must be compliant with safety quality standards. Sometimes these are industry and other third party standards, and some are internal and company specific standards. While designing further, we should consider the life cycle such that once we should know the design, by the use of resources and energy we develop a product, and when uh, when the product is wasted or it may damage, by these the emissions and the waste are should be a raw material for the new design. They should act as a resource which helps, it should complete a perfect life cycle. Yeah, I'll represent the process and design. The process once where we are designing a mouse, it should uh, it should know that where we should use plastic pellets or rubber or some other thing, for which the why we are using injection molding, because it's very fast and it's very easy, and it we can get easily our desired product like this. The process should be is a takes place in a key product. While designing, we should consider the wall thicknesses, proper dimensions, these and all this. Yeah, thank you.